Struggling to keep your house cool during those blazing hot summer days is way more common than you think, especially when your air conditioner just can't seem to keep up no matter how low you set the thermostat. So here's the deal. First, you gotta check if your air conditioner is actually the right size for your home, because if it's too small, it's gonna run nonstop trying to hit that perfect temp and rack up a crazy electric bill. Next, sealing up any drafts around windows and doors can stop cool air from escaping and hot air from sneaking in, which makes a huge difference. Don't forget about your attic. If it's not properly insulated or sealed, that heat is going to pour right into your living space. Heavy blackout curtains or blinds are clutch for blocking out the sun's rays during the hottest parts of the day. Also, try to avoid using ovens, dishwashers, or dryers during peak heat hours since they crank up the inside temperature. Ceiling fans are a lifesaver for moving air around and making the temperature feel cooler without blasting the AC. Keep your furnace and AC filters clean because dirty filters restrict airflow and make your system work harder. Lastly, planting some trees or using window films can lower the amount of heat hitting your house from outside. One of the biggest mistakes people make is ignoring their HVAC maintenance. Dirty filters and clogged vents kill efficiency, so swapping filters regularly and clearing vents is key. Another common issue is having an air conditioner that's either too small or too large. A unit that's too small won't cool properly, while one that's too big will short cycle and waste energy. Getting a professional to size your unit right is the fix here. Third, lots of folks forget about insulation and ceiling leaks. Without proper insulation in walls and attics or ceiling gaps, cool air just escapes and hot air gets in, so sealing those leaks and boosting insulation pays off big time. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy to find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle these cooling challenges for your home. Plus, if you're a contractor, it helps you connect with homeowners who need your skills, so everybody wins.